Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our last video. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the previous video where we discussed why the US has military bases around the world. Now it's time to test what you learned. Does the United States have military bases only in America? No, the US has bases in more than 80 countries around the world. Were US military bases set up mainly after World War I? No, they were established mainly after World War II. Was the Cold War a peaceful friendship between the US and Soviet Union? No, it was a time of political tension and rivalry. Do US bases respond only to war situations? No, they also respond to natural disasters and humanitarian crises. Is NATO related to the US military strategy? Yes, NATO was formed as part of the strategy to prevent conflict. Are all US bases large and heavily populated? No. Some are small, with just a few dozen people. Do all countries welcome US military bases? No. Some people in host countries oppose them. Are these bases only about military power? No. They are also about diplomacy and global influence. Can these bases help protect international trade? Yes, they help secure sea routes and deter piracy. Is the US trying to become a colonial empire with these bases? No, their goal is global security and strategic partnerships. Watch the video again if needed and say your answers out loud. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson in this amazing series about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.